Hello fellow stackers, 365 here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about the Scottsdale Silver Stacker Bars. As you can see, I have 10 of the bars lined up here. Now these have to be my favourite silver bars by far. I'll just get one a bit closer there for you. This one's actually a brand new one, so it's still got the plastic wrap over it, protecting it. Now here I have a mixture of brand new ones and pre-owned ones. Now I'm from the UK, so the pre-owned ones were 20% less VAT because they were second hand, and the new ones I had to pay 20% VAT on them, so quite a big price difference. However, I've only got a couple of brand new ones. The majority, as you can tell by the scuffs and things on them, are second hand. I just wanted to have a couple of new ones in the stack, straight from Scottsdale Mint, which is actually located in America, in the US state of Arizona. And I got them shipped over because I wanted to kind of compare them to my pre-owned ones, just to see, just to have some in the stack that were new, because I thought it'd be quite nice additions to have some brand new looking ones straight from the mint. So like I said, they look very, very nice when they're straight from the mint. Really nice bars. I'm going to try and keep this plastic on the newer ones. Now, for those of you that haven't seen these bars before, on the reverse they carry a unique serial number, which is down the bottom here. That's got a very cool one. All the 2s, all the 5s. And they also carry this anti-forgery swirl pattern. So it makes it very hard for them to be counterfeited. And in the middle there, you can see you've got the Scottsdale Mint hallmark. Now, like I said, these are my favourite silver bars to stack. I really like them, and the reason I like them so much is they're actually called stacker bars, and they actually do what they say on the tin. So they're precision machined, so they precisely stack on top of each other. It's really satisfying when you stack them up, especially when you stack all 10 of them. It just really looks satisfying to see when you start stacking them up. Now I'm not going to stack them all on top of each other because the camera angle I've got set up, you won't be able to fit them all in, but you can see what I mean here. They just stack really nicely, and because they stack so nicely, you can store them so much easier. Those of you that have been stacking silver for a while will know that after a while it becomes very difficult to store, just because of the weight and size of it. And that's where these bars are so good, because you can really fit them in a small space. So like I said, mixture of brand new and pre-owned ones. Really nice when you do the comparison of the pre-owned ones. I actually quite like the pre-owned ones because you kind of, they they've kind of got a bit of history, and you kind of think, where's this bar been? How many years has this bar been knocking around someone's stack before they sold it? It kind of tells a story. So like I said, all got their own unique serial numbers. So yeah, really cool bars. Let me know in the comments section if you've got any of these in your stack, and if not, what is your favourite silver bar? Now, I did a bit of research into the Scottsdale Mint, and it appears it was founded in 2009, and like I said, it is in Arizona, which is in America. Now, on this series of the stacker bars, now when you actually search these on the website, the Scottsdale Mint website, they've actually got like a registered trademark sign next to the stacker. So I think these are actually registered, kind of like almost copyrighted, the name of them, the Scottsdale Stacker Bar. So I haven't been able to find anywhere to confirm that, but I will put a thing on the screen now just over here to show you what I mean. On the website it says, you see the little R there to kind of say registered, so I'm guessing they've actually registered the stacker, kind of copyrighted that. So that's quite interesting. Now in this series they do 3 different sizes. They do the 10 ounce bars, which are these ones, and these are my favourite, just because I think 10 ounces is a great size bar, and I just really I think they feel really good in the hand. And the next size up is they do the 1 kilo bar, so that's around 32 ounces of silver. And then the biggest bar they do is 100 ounces. So you can only imagine how big that will be. This is 100 ounces here in 10 ounce bars, and they do 1 bar that size. So that would look amazing. Imagine if you had 5 of them stacked up. So personally, I'm not a massive fan of 100 ounce bars, just because when you come to sell your stack or liquidate in the future, it's a lot harder to shift a 100 ounce bar, especially if the prices keep going up like they have done over the last sort of 100 or so years. So that's my thought process behind it. I have got a few kilo bars, but that's the kind of biggest bar that I'm comfortable getting. My main bar to stack is kind of the 10 ounces, really. I think that's a nice sweet spot. So I can't find a release date anywhere. I can't find out when these bars were first introduced. I don't know whether they were first introduced when the company was founded in 2009. I can imagine they wasn't, because they're quite a unique bar, and because it's got so many different security features on it with the swells and everything, I just can't imagine this dating back as far as 2009. I could be wrong. Do let me know in the comment section if you've got any more information on when these were first introduced and released. And yeah, that's pretty much the video today. I just kind of wanted to get them all lined up and show you them. I will attach some photos at the end of this video of them stacked up, just to kind of show you how they look when they're all stacked up, because it is a thing of beauty. So as always, thanks very much for watching, and have a nice day.